If you're looking to give your nails a festive touch this holiday season, the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Holiday Duo might just be what you need. In this review, I'll be breaking down the ins and outs of this two-piece set, designed to deliver both color and long-lasting wear. Let's dive into the details and see how it holds up. The Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Holiday Duo comes with two bottles. One of the Miracle Gel color in a stunning shade called Holiday Romance, which is a shimmery, holiday-inspired red, and one of the Miracle Gel top coat to seal it all in. It promises a glossy, streak-free shine that lasts up to 8 days. The best part? No UV lamp required. Just let natural light work its magic. The product is super easy to use. You apply 2 coats of the Holiday Romance color to clean, dry nails, and once it's dry, you follow up with the top coat. The instructions are clear and there's no need to worry about a base coat, which simplifies things further. From a texture perspective, the polish is smooth and glides on easily. The color itself is rich, with a lovely shimmer that gives it a sophisticated holiday-ready look. It's got that perfect balance of festive yet classy. The formula dries quickly, and I found that after 2 coats, it provided full coverage without any streaks. Now let's talk about longevity. One of the standout features of the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel is its claim to last up to 8 days without chipping. After testing it for several days, I can confirm that it does live up to this claim. I wore it through daily activities, typing, washing dishes, handling everything from casual to slightly rough treatment, and the nails still looked shiny and fresh by day 7. The top coat really does lock in the color. It's thick enough to create that gel-like finish without the need for a UV lamp, but light enough that it doesn't feel heavy. The glossy shine it provides really makes the color pop, and that's something I appreciate about this product. It's not just about lasting power, it's about giving you a high-quality look right out of the gate. Now, let's hit on the pros and cons. On the plus side, it's super easy to use. The color payoff is excellent, and it truly does last a solid week without chipping. The fact that you don't need a UV lamp is a huge bonus, especially for those who don't have time for a full salon-style gel manicure. The shimmer in Holiday Romance is elegant yet festive, so it's versatile enough to wear year-round. On the flip side, if I had to pick one area for improvement, it would be the removal process. Like with most gel-like formulas, it takes a bit more effort to remove than standard nail polish. You might need to use a bit more nail polish remover or even a special gel remover to get it off without any residue. In terms of value, for the price, this duo is definitely worth it. The formula gives you salon-quality nails at home, and the convenience of not needing a UV lamp makes it accessible to pretty much anyone. For those who love long-lasting nails, but don't want to commit to a salon visit every week, this is a fantastic at-home alternative. Is there a comparable product on the market? You'll find other gel-like polishes, but what sets Sally Hansen apart is the no UV requirement and the fact that you're getting a duo pack. For a similar price, you might find other brands that offer long-lasting formulas, but the ease of use and glossy finish of Sally Hansen's Miracle Gel set it apart. When it comes to build quality, the packaging is simple but sturdy. The bottles aren't the most luxurious, but they're easy to handle, and the brush is wide enough to cover the nail in just a few strokes, which makes application quick and easy. Now, let's talk alternatives. If you're on a tighter budget, brands like Essie and OPI have excellent long-wear nail polishes, though they may require a UV lamp for a similar gel-like finish. Still, if you don't mind spending a little more, Sally Hansen's offering gives you the convenience of skipping the lamp while delivering results that feel just as professional. All in all, the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Holiday Duo is a solid choice for anyone looking to add a bit of glam to their nails this holiday season. The Holiday Romance shade is perfect for the time of year, and the performance really does live up to the hype. It's great for those who want a long-lasting manicure without the hassle of UV lamps, and for the price, it's a great deal. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. And if you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.